Filing an income tax return is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, gather your documents. Collect all necessary documents, including W-2 forms from employers, 1099 forms for other income sources, receipts for deductions and credits, and any other relevant paperwork. Then organize them into categories for easier reference. Now choose your filing method. Decide whether to file electronically, which is called e-filing, or on paper. E-filing is generally faster and more accurate, but paper filing might be suitable for simple returns or in case of internet access limitations. And select the appropriate form depending on your income, deductions, and filing status. You might need to use the specific form like 1040, 1040EZ, or 1040NR. The IRS website guides you on choosing the right form. Then follow the instructions carefully. Each form has specific instructions and line numbers for different types of income, deductions, and credits. And read them thoroughly and fill in the information accurately. Now claim eligible deductions and credits. Don't miss out on deductions and credits you're entitled to. Research and identify relevant deductions for things like mortgage interest, student loan interest, charitable contributions, and child care expenses. Then claim applicable credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit and Child Tax Credit. Review and double-check before submitting your order. Carefully review all entries for accuracy and completeness. Then use tax software or consult a tax professional if needed for assistance. And file. Electronically filing is generally recommended for its speed and accuracy. Now choose a reputable tax software or IRS free file partner for secure electronic filing. Mail paper returns. If filing on paper, ensure you use the correct mailing address for your filing status and state. And double-check the postage and send your return with certified mail for tracking and receipt confirmation.